Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 32 Davey Road. This lovely 3+1 bedroom home is situated on a 1.7 acre lot. There's been extensive upgrades to this home. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you enter, you'll see the large family room with cathedral ceilings and fireplace. It's open to the gourmet kitchen with heated floors and supersized island with a granite countertop. There's a dining area with a walkout to the large covered deck with western exposure. There's a dreamy primary bedroom with a custom 5-piece ensuite with heated floors. The main level also has 2 additional bedrooms, a 4-piece bath, and a laundry room. The lower level has a large rec room with walkout, and a 3-piece bath. There's a dining area, an additional bedroom, and a large workshop. Additional features are the EV charger hookup and the Generac whole home generator that will power the entire home in the event of a power outage. Another great feature is the extensive landscaping.